Hey, it's Kurt with Black Dog CycleWorks. I wanted to take a minute and talk about using the TrailStand with our Ultimate Skid Plate for the KTM 790 Adventure. Because we elected to mount the rear of the skid plate to the center stand framework, we've eliminated the ability to install a center stand for lifting the bike. During our design process, we determined that it was important to figure out a way to accommodate lifting the motorcycle for things such as maintenance, repair, or changing a flat tire. And the best solution we found for this is the TrailStand by EnduroStar. As such, we have provided holes on the right side of the skid plate, both at the front and the rear, to accommodate lifting the motorcycle. The process is simple. Use the provided Velcro strap to secure the front brake lever. We also suggest putting the bike in gear. For the rear, lift the rear of the bike and leverage it onto the side stand and insert the top of the TrailStand into the provided hole on the right rear side of the skid plate. For the front, use the handlebars to leverage the front of the bike up and insert the TrailStand into the hole provided at the front of the skid plate. As you can see, this is easily accomplished by one person. Although a bit unconventional, we see several advantages to this approach. The compact TrailStand easily fits underneath the seat for storage and weighs only 10 ounces versus a center stand that weighs around 10 pounds. It is also a much more cost-effective solution as they retail for under $50, where a center stand can cost around $250. In addition, it's one less thing on the bottom of the bike to get hung up on when you're trying to clear obstacles. We hope that providing some insight into our design process has been helpful. If you have any questions, you can reach us to our website at blackdogcw.com. Thanks so much for your support.